Hello guys, how are you? In this video I'm going to show you just how to install free video compressor setup in offline without data. So we are going to double click on the setup after we download it. If you need the download description, I will write you in my the download link. I will write you in my download description. So welcome to free video compressor setup. Blah blah blah. Next. We are going to agree next, and then we are going to choose a destination. So in this situation, I'm going to use the destination inside. Okay, next. If you want to rename it, you can rename it, but I am going to say it by this video name. Next, and at last, click on install. After you click on install, it is installing. As you see, it says launch free video compressor. You're going to click on finish. It is going to launch. We are going to check it. It is opening the destination or the file where you are going to import from. So I'm going to choose this one. As you see, it just came. So after a while, you are going to click on compress. It is working. So thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe MT Production and turn on the bell icon next to it. And if you just have a nice award, you can just click the like button. If you have any questions or a mistake I made, you can write me in the comments below. Thank you for watching.